another vlog, my first house vlog. Here I'm at Glenmuir Country Club over the new housing scheme. So guys, come along with me. Let me show you all the nice houses. Come along.
Okay, these are the layers of the house.
Okay.
Yeah. This is for this house you're in. This is for that house over there.
So this one is for this house that we're standing.
And
the
that
other one
is for the house over there.
What color is that?
No color, not really anything. A prime crime.
Oh, that's a prime color.
Yeah. The original color is on the front.
Okay. So this one.
That is a townhouse up there.
What do you mean by townhouse? I don't really know much about house.
Alright, townhouse is like a Florida style. So eventually that is two houses in one. So that will be two owners.
Two owners, one up and one down at the bottom.
Two of them have two upstairs. If you notice, you see a firewall in the middle.
Let me vlog it, sir.
You notice you see a wall in the middle?
Yeah, like a split.
Yeah.
So two owners, one on the right side and one on the other side. Okay, so take me inside. Do you mind I put you on the vlog? No, you don't mind. You're my tour guide. So guys, we're at here. Is anyone in here?
No.
Take off my slippers?
Yeah.
Take off your slippers. Alright. So guys, we're at Glenmuir Complex. That's it? Country Club. And here is the living and dining kitchen. No, let's go over to the kitchen.
Yeah.
Alright, over here is, do you have any light?
Yeah.
Could you turn it on for me, please?
No light in the kitchen,
Okay. So what type of countertop is this? This is the kitchen, guys. What is this?
This is called,
what is that called?
Granite.
Granite.
Yeah.
She works at a hardware, so she will know. Where has it taken me? Oh, so here's the fridge. Stainless, right?
You don't come with the house though.
It doesn't come with the house? Okay.
None of the furniture comes with the house.
Guys, none of the furniture comes with the house. So if you're thinking on getting this house, you have to think of getting your own furniture.
Master bedroom.
Here is the master bedroom. We get the bed with it? We get the bed. Just kidding. I'm coming. You're moving too fast. So this is the master bedroom. You have good view out here. Two windows. I like the bed. Can I get the comforter when I'm leaving? Alright guys, come to where next is taking me.
This is the
Closet.
E and she.
E and she. So this is E and this is for me, my husband, and over here is for me. Okay. Can I see how big it is? Alright guys, so this is my husband closet, my future husband. The roof is very high.
Yeah.
When it is high, you get more. It's cooler. Okay. Let me close it back. I'm just gonna look up in my closet. It's the same thing, guys. My closet and my husband's closet is the same. Yeah. All right. And this is our bathroom.
Yeah. This is where all the action takes place.
All the action.
Yeah.
Can you name one of the action? Huh? Bathing.
Bathing.
All right.
Yeah. Cuddling.
You're killing me, guys. I really like this. It's very cute.
Yeah. This is where your daughter should make her son.
I have my daughter already. Kim can make her daughter there because she doesn't have a child. And I like the tile. It's very cute. Kim, what type of tile is that? You don't know?
Porcelain, porcelain, yeah.
Porcelain?
Porcelain or porcelain or what's it?
Okay. And here's a bathroom. And onto the other room, my tour guide.
And to the kids' room.
The kids' room.
Yeah.
Wow. So two
So if you're
beds.
so if you're gilding, you have to change out the room to something else.
What does gilding mean?
Yeah, you know, have a picnic.
Okay. I see.
Mommy have fire blank.
Like that girl over there. And you can see the kids, they have their own closets.
As well.
What I like about this house, every room has a closet. And also, me and my husband, we have separate closet because, you know, girl love enough clothes.
So you have to put it on me like a male husband.
Come, put it on me. Oh, no, no, put me in the vlog. Guys, I'm very hot, so I have to take that off. Take me to my kitchen.
She have a little buzz around her back. Yeah.
So guys, so this is my
Kitchen.
as we
Yeah.
mentioned, and this is my living room. I
Yeah.
want to fix it the way I want to. Choose
Yeah.
my color, choose my furniture and all of that. Over here is the master bedroom. Here's the master bedroom. I wish I could just sit on it, but I can't.
All things are gonna go on.
This third guy is the cuisine, and over here is my bathroom.
So you don't have to leave out your room to go to the bathroom.
That is it. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and stay tuned for the other one.
And that is not it, because you have a back porch.
Back. So why didn't you let me know that? So into the back porch.
Open the door, the next one.
Out here is the back porch.
Yeah.
High ceiling as I mentioned before.
And here's the laundry room, but it's closed.
So you say that this is the laundry room.
Yeah. But it's
But
closed.
there's put the camera right here. So this is the laundry room, guys.
Yeah.
But it is closed, right?
Yeah.
But they can't do any little gardening here.
No.
But they have spacious like outdoor whatever. So that's it. Let's show them the outside.
We don't prepare for farmers.
You didn't prepare for farmers.
No.
So if I want to do my little gardening, where would I do it?
You don't have to go out and go to the market.
But everything is expensive now. Hey,
You can't only do gardening in a housing scheme.
well, that's true. But if you can improvise, in a little flower pot or something, then I have a little brochure. No brochure. So this is the outside of the house. This is the outside. Nice houses at the Glenmuir housing complex. Workmen are working. So that's it, guys.